What's up, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company. We are back with another car review. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2020 Kia Soul GT line. And this is a sweet looking Kia Soul. Up on the front grille we have that upgraded grille. Got the GT line badge over on the right with the fog lights on the bottom. Coming over to the side here, got two-tone alloy rims. This one's got a little red ring around the Kia badge on all the wheels. Got the Soul and this little black panel on each side. And then coming around to the back, we do have a backup camera and GT line badge there as well. Power lift gate. Second row of seating does go down to make even more space. We've got the all-terrain rubber mats. And actually we have a ton of space back here. But other than that, we do get blind spot monitors and keyless entry. Let's take a look at the interior. As for the interior, guys, it looks awesome in here. You got lots of space in the back and up front. The seats are super comfortable. Front two seats are bucket seats. We have this dark gray and black cloth seating. Up on the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped. We got the GT line badge down at the bottom. It's got a flat bottom as well with Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, and cruise control. Over to the left we have our lane keep, blind spot monitors, automatic engine start and stop system, as well as our traction control. And then over on our screen we have Bluetooth capabilities, FM, AM radios, and then we also do have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This car has great AC, it feels great in here. Up above us we do have a moonroof with the controls just right in front of it. And then just below the AC controls, you get two 12-volt slots and a USB. This is a push to start, and we got our drive modes. You'll actually see those displayed up on the gauge cluster. Got normal and sport mode. But overall, this is a super comfortable car, lots of room. Looks great in here. Couple more really cool things on the interior. Just up above these 12-volt slots, we do have a wireless charging pad. Fits pretty much every phone. And then our backup camera, I'll throw it in reverse. We get those guidance lines that follow as you steer the wheel. So two super helpful things on the interior of this car. To wrap it up, guys, this is a one-owner vehicle with just under 13,000 miles. It's in amazing condition with no damages or accidents on its Carfax report. The paint looks awesome, no scratches or dents. And the interior, same deal. The seats are in great condition. Under the hood, we have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Gets us up to 27 miles per gallon in city, 33 on the highway. This car comes loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Get a couple cool safety features like lane keep, blind spot monitors. Overall, a really good looking Kia Soul. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.